Right, off on another ice fishing adventure today. Should be interesting. We'll see what happens. We're trying out a new farm pond today that I've never fished before, and I guess we'll see what is in it. Hopefully something interesting, but you'll have to wait and find out, as will I, for later in this video to see if we find anything special. Can't freaking see my deucer. There he is!
Perfect.
Woohoo!
Good.
Whatever it is, it's big.
Good. Want this out?
Yeah, sure. Oh, he popped off!
Oh no!
God dang it! Holy cow.
Well, now you're not skunked.
There we go.
Good. Found him. So, now the shack's disappeared.
Not far behind.
Yeah.
Yeah, another solid gill. Not as big as yours. That is huge.
That's a nice fucking
that is a pounder for sure.
Yeah.
Good God almighty. That thing is enormous.
Hey, it's cold out here, guys. My worm still on fire. I'm waiting for it to get a little bite and go. Yeah, and you don't have to set the hook like you're on the river.
Ooh, that's a better fish. Oh, God dang it. Thank you. Oh, man. That is a good gill there. Holy smokes. That is probably the biggest bluegill I've caught all year by a lot. Holy cow.
In Missouri, we just fishing night crawlers off the pier. Biggest bluegill I've ever seen.
That is the biggest one I've caught in a long time. That's a 10-incher there, no doubt about it. Wow. Oh crap. Rod's all. That's a better one.
You want it out?
No. Jeez.
That might even be bigger than the last one.
A big old hen right there. That one came in real high. She wanted that though. Look at that jig. You can't even see it. All right. Whoa. Nose dive. Now my hand's freaking cold. Well, not the best filming, but that is a big old stinking gill. Home you go. Oh God, this one probably swallowed it. He's not very big, not like those others. Oh. Pretty good though, not quite as big as the others, but pretty good. Monster. Not as monstrous as the others, but pretty good. Jeez. Need those? On the rattle trap. Yeah. What do we got here? Just dogging me. He just thinks he's tough.
Bluegill again?
Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah. Oh man.
That's a nice bluegill. Holy fuck. Sorry, you're on camera.
Oh no, it's okay. That is freaking huge. Look at that thing. Oh, he's got a messed up mouth. He's been caught a couple of times, poor guy.
That's funny.
That's another.
Looks like a bulldog.
I know. It's another pounder right there. Good God almighty. I never caught so many big bluegill like this in my life. Dang, there's a big mark down there too. I need to get back down there. Oh, come on and eat it. There we go. That one, no question about it. He's ready to chow. That's another good one. I'm probably gonna end up with a hook in my hand before the end of the... Oh, don't pee on me, you turd. There we go. Rip and wrap bluegills. What the heck? Eat it for sure. The way he came charging in.
Trying to scare him off.
God dang it.
What's with this doubling up stuff all
I don't know. Oh my God.
this?
What is that? What is that?
I got a transducer on mine too.
Oh my God. Do you have a tape measure by chance?
I'm gonna look.
I just want to know, just for curiosity's sake. This would probably be close to my PR bluegill right here.
There's 8 mine. Want to feed him?
I can't even get my hand around this thing. That is just stupid. How big that thing is. Oh my God.
Let me look in the bag real quick.
I might actually have... I've never gotten a picture with a bluegill before, but I'm like tempted on this one. So he's about an inch past this point here. About an inch past that. That is ridiculous. What on earth kind of freaking nature bluegill is that? Go home. What are you? Bluegill again. Mega again. What is this? God. What is happening? This is crazy. What? That is another like 10-inch pounder bluegill. God bless it. These things are so big, I don't know if you could even clean them without an electric knife. Cutting through those ribs would be about impossible. What? I've never caught this many big bluegill at one time. I mean, it's like commonplace. Like, there's a 10-incher, and he's gonna go home after he.
Deer?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, give that.
From Otley, Iowa.
Mmm.
That was a drunken mess dropping that shit off.
Mmm. God, they keep just coming up and tapping it. That's the freaking 3rd time. Stupid. Just stupid. You done? Nope. You're gonna try and hook me in the hand. You freaking quit. Alright. Good God.
Sent him up the hayfield
Mm-hmm.
was. So Brindle, I'll take her down to Iowa Lake a handful of times.
Oh, that's something different.
Put that out of there.
Yeah. Whew. He came up and just crunched it. I'm assuming, I think this is a catfish. Oh, I thought I lost him.
I'm not putting it until you land that, so take your time.
Okay.
Last catfish I pulled out of here took me 40 minutes.
That's what this is. Without a doubt. Oh, he just pulled off. I knew I had the drag down on just a little too much. Dang it. Ugh!
Entangling the mess again.
Fair enough.
See, this is exactly why I tried to go to my other one.
Yeah.
Away from these little guys, but it's okay. They need to play too. God damn, I'm glad we got on the fish.
Yeah. I was worried there. Oh man, this is another.
Oh my god! Nice scoop!
Oh, saved it.
Nice scoop.
My lure's caught on the deucer and I'm sliding around. Friggin' ice skating over here. I didn't think he was that big, but then I remembered I tightened my drag and I was like, oh. Oh, don't splash that, buddy. Oh my gosh, this is just stupid. The amount of huge bluegill we've caught is just silly. Home you go. Don't do that. Go home. There you go. Good one?
Yeah.
Oh. Real good. Okay, here. I
saw that sun gun come up and I'm like, wait, that's different.
Oh, good thing we decided to stay a little bit longer at least.
Yeah, right.
Get some of this out of the way.
This is usually like a, yeah.
You got a big old kitty on there.
Yeah.
And he doesn't like the looks of the ice on top there. Scared away all the fish in my hole. Oh no, there's a couple that are appearing.
Just let off so I can reel a little. Thank you.
Still don't see him. Oh, I just got a flash of him.
Did you?
Yeah.
I say he gave me quite a bit there.
Then he just took it all back.
I got about good 3 good. Holy Christ.
Oh man, that's a good one. Just got to steer his head up and then I'll grab him. Got him.
Snapper.
You caught him on that jigging wrap?
I told you, man.
Oh man. There you go. That is an awesome fish. Took a minute, but we got him.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Let's go.
as long as I don't crash and burn.
Yeah. A little smaller than that last one I pulled out of here.
Still probably like 5-pounder.
Yeah, that's pretty close, yeah.
There you go. Cast through the ice. Can't beat that.
Right there.
There you go.
Perfect.
Let me know if that looks good.
Sir. Perfect. Oh, Billy, there you go. Alright, go home. Make some more babies for next year.
Might have to turn him around. He's too big.
Oh, there he gets. Look at his tail.
Got it? No.
There he goes, tail underneath the ice. Wow.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
Well, that was a pretty cool trip. Random farm pond in the middle of nowhere, and we caught some of the biggest bluegill that I've ever seen. I mean, I have never caught that many bluegill at or over a pound in my entire life. That one bluegill, holy crap, that thing was probably 11 or 11 and a half inches long. It may honestly be my PR bluegill. I would have to look back at some of the ones that I caught when I was younger with my parents fishing during the spawn for bluegills with some floating flies and that kind of thing. But that was a super cool catch. Super cool to have Beau catch a catfish while we were out there. That was pretty fun. I'm glad he didn't lose his jig and wrap. He was kind of worried about that. Anyway, if you'd like to see more of this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.